at what food has cost now. And Tinubu did not know this. There are people that want to kill themselves because of pot of rice and yam. Is it not because of food they are attacking you?
It's because of food.
You are no more giving them food.
Yes, they say that they will carry their dead body that is not my own to where I come from.
What is your name?
My name.
As pure as this we hold, unconditional, warm and bold. Together we will face the night. With you my world is pure delight. A caring heart, a gentle hand. We'll walk together through this land. With every step my faith restored. You are the one my heart adored. Grateful to the stars above for sending me this endless love. With you each day feels so divine. In your heart forever mine. No love's as pure as this we hold. With every word you light my way. A passion glowing, pure and strong. In your arms where I belong.
Yam Porridge.
In the moonlight's gentle glow I find a love so deep, a heart so kind. With every beat my soul does raise. Grateful for your warm embrace. You lift me up when skies are gray. With every word you light my way. A passion glowing, pure